What the actual fuck? Look at that shit. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Today we got Birdcall. I got the sriracha slider. Sriracha slider. It smells so motherfucking good. So it looks like it has that Birdcall sauce. It's got some what they call Texas coleslaw, and on a little spicy chicken strip. Let's see what it's talking about. And I got some of their fries. You know what I'm saying? I also got Birdcall sauce and their famous ranch sauce. We finna try both. Damn. Clean up, my boy. I'm gonna try some of their Birdcall sauce. It's like your typical Thousand Island type sauce. You know, Cane's has it. Birdcall has it. A lot of people have it. But it's good though. My God. Oh yeah, it's time to get into it. Got shit all over my face. Mm, mm. It's dripping. Oh yeah, that motherfucker good.